42-year-old Kamal Vasram was Estina's sole director when the alleged crime was committed, and 31-year-old Salish Inderjit was a general worker at the failed Estina Dairy project. Their apparent involvement in the Estina fraud case was exposed by a wide SARS investigation into the matter. The probe found they allegedly misled SARS by submitting fraudulent claims. They allegedly submitted false custom clearance documents for a tax refund claim for a new pasteurisation plant valued at 37.7 million rand. The inflated price raised red flags.
They face one count of fraud each, as well as contravention of Section 54 of the International Trade Administration Act, as well as contravention of Regulation 22 of the Exchange Control Act. So basically, this is a SARS-led investigation. Basically, claim from customs or through SARS that they spent about 37.7 million in the importation of a pasteurization plant, which was supposed to be an instrument or something they're going to be using at the farm in Estina. So what transpired through investigations was that, hold up, this is a large amount for a pasteurization plant.
The state didn't oppose bail. The accused were granted 10,000 rand bail each under strict conditions. The lawyer for accused number one says they believe they have a solid case against the state.
We're always confident, knowing the accused for quite a while in the other matters, and studying this case for a couple of years now. We believe that our client will be justified, and we have just received the draft indictment, which we will study in detail, and at the next appearance there will be an allocation, and we will plead accordingly at the due time.
Both men are understood to be associates of the sought-after Gupta brothers. They were allegedly used by the Guptas to launder money through Estina.
The whole Estina Dairy Farm project, as well as our other case, Nulani, all of it, we're saying, is linked to the dealings of the Gupta family. We have said even in our press release that these people are key associates, more particularly in the Estina debacle. So as the charge sheet through investigation, when you actually get a chance to look at, you'll see that this was basically one of the smaller defrauding or fraud attempts that they basically did to the South African government. But it was a significant amount, 37.7 million.
The two accused cannot leave the country. They must attend all court cases and cannot commit any further crimes while the matter is pending. The case has been remanded to the 11th of this month. Patricia Fasaki, SABC News in Pretoria.